So, my dear governors, our theme for the year 2021-2022 is Serve to Change Lives. I urge you to lead by example and inspire Rotarians and Rotaractors to participate in projects that have a sustained impact. Join hands with other Rotarians, other organizations, corporations, and do projects that impact your community, your city, projects that can change lives of people across the country and around the world. At the end of your term as district governor, you should feel that because of your leadership, because of your inspiration to the Rotarians and Rotaractors, the world has changed for better because of the service done by them during the year. As we all serve, we change the lives of not only others, we change our lives too. Vivekananda, one of India's greatest philosophers, said, "When you help someone, do not think that you are obliging him or her. In fact, it is he or she who is obliging you by giving you an opportunity to give back something to this world from where we have received so much." Also, he added beautifully, in life, take the position of the donor or the server, and yet be so humble in giving and serving that let the donor or server kneel down and ask, "May I give? May I serve?" Friends, to live for others, to care for others, to serve others and change their lives is the best way to live our own lives. Just as Albert Einstein said, only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. And friends, as we go about our service initiatives, our special focus this year will be on empowering girls. One of Rotary's core values is diversity. We have a public statement that outlines our belief in DEI: diversity, equity, and inclusion. It is important that we empower the girl, as we all find that more often than not, the girl is disadvantaged. We will serve all children, but our focus will be specially on the girl. There are many issues that the girls face in different parts of the world, and you as leaders will ensure that we try and mitigate the disadvantage of the girl that they may have. Friends, to do more and grow more, we've designed some presidential initiatives. There will be 7 presidential conferences across the world, focusing on the 7 areas of focus. And for every Rotary and Rotaract club to be able to organize and engage Rotarians and Rotaractors and the public at large, we will have Rotary Days of Service. Do participate in the presidential conference closest to home, and do encourage every club to participate in a Rotary Day of Service. Let them join Rotaractors and Interactors. Let us showcase our work world over through thousands of Rotary Days of Service by Rotary clubs. Dear Changemaker governors, ending polio, fighting COVID, working on large impactful projects, and increasing our membership to a never before 1.3 million. The task ahead is challenging, and that should excite you. Rotarians love challenges. A ship is safe in the harbor, but that is not what ships are meant for. They need to go out in the high seas. Life, my dear changemakers, is about adventure and not maintenance. Let me end with what I have penned for our theme. The biggest gift we are given is the power to touch a life, to change, to make a difference in the circle of life. If we can reach out with our hands, heart, and soul, the magic will begin to happen as the wheel begins to roll. Let's turn the wheel together so all humanity thrives. We have the power and the magic to serve, to change lives. At this moment, I urge you, wherever you are seated, to put your hand on your heart and pledge with me. We have the power and the magic to serve, to change lives. So, my dear change makers, are you ready? Are you ready for the big challenges? Are you ready to serve? Are you ready to change lives? I am, and I'm sure you are too. Together, let us serve to change lives.